Hey guys, as you can see, I'm right outside West Elm and I'm about to take you inside with me for a shopping trip. So come along and shop with me at West Elm. Oh my gosh. You guys, I just walked in and I'm already dying. This is a couch that I've been looking at online. It is their, what is it called? It's from the Marin collection. It's $1,900. It's a beautiful like linen texture. This looks like a dupe for the cloud couch. Let's see if it's comfortable. You guys, I'm doing a project right now where I'm looking for some chandelier lights, and I think that these would go perfect. They're gonna go above some desks, and I think this would be really nice. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Looks like they're getting rid of some of their summer furniture. I'm not a fan of this gray couch. Ooh, look at this coffee table look. Another really beautiful chandelier. This one is $500. They have a very nice like retro selection of furniture. Look at that chandelier, guys. Oh my god. I know I told you guys that I hate faux plants, but I would almost get this one. Oh wait, this is real. Never mind. There's a whole section over here that I didn't see. All of these decor options here. There's a lot of glass. This one's cute. Here's another good option. This one is really nice. $700. Beautiful. I was window shopping, but I found some stuff that I'm gonna go back for. Every time I go to IKEA, my first stop is always the as-is section. You can find great deals there. There's always hidden treasures there. I ended up snagging a couch that was $300 less than the original asking price, and it was in great condition. So I continued my search for the project that I'm working on. I made sure to stop by the coffee table section. I'm in dire need of a coffee table for this project, and I just fell in love with some of the new coffee table options that IKEA had to offer. My favorite part about IKEA is going into all the room models and just seeing how they decorate and set things up. They just come up with a bunch of unique setups, and I love going there and getting inspiration and just looking at all the unique design ideas that they have. It's incredible how much design can get into such a small space. That's actually one of my favorite things to do, because when you have a small space, you are forced to get creative with your designs, and that's when the best ideas come out. actually own this cabinet system along with the steel metallic-like fronts. I haven't put them up yet, but I'm really excited to when I find the right spot for them. I also need accent chairs for the project, and these might be a really good option. Look at how beautiful these new cabinet fronts are. IKEA is really stepping it up with their details. I'm impressed. They even have a whole new section for hardware. Now, maybe they've always had this. I'm sure they have, but I'm just now seeing it for the first time, and I really like some of the options they had. So my second big purchase for the day was this closet system, and I am so excited, you guys. This closet system is so modern and sleek, and it's gonna act as a room divider for the project I'm doing. I cannot wait to use this, and I got it at a pretty good price. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks in the room, so make sure you go ahead and hit that notification button so you don't miss it. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these shop with me videos, and I'll do them more. I did the shopping so you don't have to, and let me know if you have any questions about any of the items that were featured here. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Me and my folks all good, that sun is shining. Tell them my feet kicked up like